Hi students, today in this video we go for the another unit of our Marigold textbook and unit number 9, and we start from poem number 9. The name of the poem is Sing a Song of People. So let's start, and here is the poem Sing a Song of People. Sing means गाना, song means जो गाना गीत होता है, of people. यहाँ पे the poet tells about the activities of people in the city, that how they behave in the city. First two lines give to us for introduction that everybody seems to be in such a hurry these days. I wonder why. Here the poet says that everybody means everyone seems means everybody we see that everybody means every man and women to be in such a hurry means they are in hurry. सब जल्दी में होते हैं. I wonder why. The poet says that I wonder that I have a confusion that why they are in a hurry. उनको इतनी जल्दी क्यों होती है. So let's start the poem. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city up and down they go. Sing a song of people means poet जो हमें बताते हैं कि जो people का जो song है वो song हम गाते हैं कि walking fast और slow. They are walking fast means वो जल्दी चलते हैं. कुछ people जो है वो जल्दी चलते हैं, कुछ slow चलते हैं. People in the city, यहाँ पे city के people की बात है कि city के जो लोग हैं कोई जल्दी जाता है, कोई फास्ट होता है, कोई स्लो जाता है. अप एंड डाउन देखो, कोई अप साइड जाता है, कोई डाउन साइड जाता है. सो दे आर बिजी ऑल द टाइम. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. पीपल ऑन द साइड वॉक, पीपल ऑन द बस, पीपल पासिंग इन बैक एंड फ्रंट ऑफ बस. इन द सिटी वी सी मैनी पीपल आर देयर इन द सिटी. सो पीपल ऑन दी साइड वॉक मीन्स जो फुटपाथ का जो वॉक होता है वहाँ पे साइड एरिया, वहाँ पे भी पीपल है वॉकिंग करते हुए. पीपल ऑन दी बस में आप देखो सब जगह, सिटी में आपको सब जगह भीड़ मिलेगी, बस में, फुटपाथ पे. पीपल पासिंग दे आर पासिंग इन बैक एंड फ्रंट ऑफ अस. वो हमारे आगे पीछे हमें क्या दिखता है, सिर्फ पीपल इन द सिटी. मीन्स यहाँ पे पॉइंट ने हमें बताया कि जो सिटी जो है उसकी लाइफ कैसी होती है कि वहाँ पे हमें सब जगह, हर एक जगह पे हमें भीड़ मीन्स पीपल ही दिखाई देंगे. सो दिस फर्स्ट टू स्टैंजास एंड नाउ वी गो फॉर द थर्ड स्टैंजा. एंड हियर इज द थर्ड स्टैंजा. पीपल ऑन द सबवे अंडरनीथ द ग्राउंड, people riding taxis round and round and round. The poet also says that people on the subway. Subway means underground way. अंडरग्राउंड जो रेलवे होता है उसको बोलते हैं सबवे. अंडरनीथ द ग्राउंड मीन्स ग्राउंड के डाउन साइड जो अंडरग्राउंड होता है वहाँ पे भी हमें क्या दिखता है, पीपल राइडिंग टैक्सीज. पीपल जो है वो टैक्सीज राइड करते हैं, रिक्शा, ऑटो रिक्शा, राउंड एंड राउंड. They are going round and round. They are moving here and there. So we saw all around people in the city. People with their hats on going in the doors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. People with their hats on means people with their hats on going in the doors. Here the poet describes that what the people carrying with in their hands. So people carrying hats and umbrellas in their hands, because if there is a hot, then there is so much hot, then they have a hat, and if there is rain, then they take umbrellas with them. So here poet describes that how people going around us, that they have umbrellas and hats in their hands. So these four stanzas, and now we go for the next. And here is the next stanza, that people in tall buildings and in stores below, riding in elevators up and down they go. Here the poet says that people in tall buildings. In the city we see many tall buildings are there, so people there are also people, and there is also we see the people, and in stores below, and downside of those buildings there were many stores, so we see people in their stores and riding elevators means lift. In many tall buildings there is a lift, so riding lifts up and down, they go up and down in the lift, and we see that people all around us, people walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. Here the poet describes that people walking singly, some people walking alone, and some in a crowd, some in a group, people saying nothing. Some people saying nothing means they are silent, and some people are talking loud, they talking loudly. So this is the description of people, that how the people, how they behave in the city, how we see that what type of people in the city we see. So these two stanzas, and now we go for the next. And here are last two stanzas of the poem, that people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. In this stanza, poet says that some people are laughing and smiling, but some are grumpy. Grumpy means they have bad tempers, they not laugh, and they were very sad, and people who just hurry and never look at you. And some people are just in a hurry means jaldi mein hote hain, and they have no time to looking at you, so they are in a hurry. So here the poet says that some are laughing and some are grumpy, and some are in a hurry. And this is the last stanza of the poem, that sing a song of people who likes to come and go, sing of city people you see but never know. Sing a song of people means here the song, this is a song of people. This poem is about a people who like to come and go. Means people like to come and go, वो आते हैं जाते हैं. Sing of city people means सिटी पीपल के बारे में यहाँ पे पोएम है. यू सी बट नेवर नो, आप देखते हो उनको, यू सी आप उनको देख सकते हो, बट नेवर नो आप उनको जान नहीं सकते हो, क्योंकि सिटी में जो है वो पीपल, हम सब जगह पीपल देखते हैं, लेकिन हमारा जो पीपल के साथ जो हमारा कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो बहुत कम होता है, तो हम नहीं जान सकते कि ये पीपल कैसे है. सिर्फ हम उनको देखते हैं कि पीपल आते हैं जाते हैं लोग, बट वी नेवर टच डायरेक्टली विद देम. सो यहाँ पे सिटी के जो लाइफ है उसकी बात की गई है कि सिटी में जो है वो हर एक इंसान जो दौड़ता ही रहता है, और वो एक दूसरे के ऐसे पर्सनल टच में कभी नहीं आता है, सिर्फ वो अपने ही काम में रहता है, और वो उसकी जो लाइफ है बहुत फास्ट होती है. So here in this poem, poet describes that some people are this type of people and some are this type, means some are laughing and some are grumpy, some are walking alone and some are in a crowd, some are very silent and some people are talking loud. So this is the description of people that we see in the city. And I hope you understood the whole poem. You can read this poem from the page number 148 and 149 of your Marigold textbook, and you have to read it carefully. And this poem is written by Lois Linsky. So I hope you understood the poem, and in the next video we will see the meaning words of this poem. Thank you.